They're coming for Khomeini and Khamenei. Tell them.
Every year we come here to show that the Azerbaijanis will not sit silently while the Islamic Republic of Iran beats and tortures our people, oppresses them, does not allow a child to read and to learn and read and write in their own mother language, in their own native tongue. The Islamic Republic systematically oppresses ethnicities, ethnic groups in Azerbaijan, in Iran, particularly the Azerbaijanis, who number about a third of the entire population of Iran. The Azerbaijanis are in the most densely populated region of Iran. If they are not allowed to practice their own culture, to name their kids Turkish names, to open up businesses with Turkish names, they're systematically Persianized. This year, in addition, we're protesting government inaction in the drying of the largest lake in the Middle East, the largest saltwater lake. If this lake dries, it will affect the health of millions in the region, not only in northwestern Iran, but in Iraq, in Turkey, in Armenia, in Azerbaijan. It will affect crops in the region. It will destroy the lives of millions of people.
Well, no, you failed.
Are you kidding?
The Azerbaijani